So that was the video from Oasis, which is providing some excellent water solutions. Also in Trivandrum, they are working. And I welcome all our delegates who have been joining us since yesterday. We are standing in the day two, mid of the day two of APAC Smart and Sustainable City Conclave, hosted by the Government of Kerala, Smart City Thiruvananthapuram Limited, and organized by APAC News Network. And we had amazing inaugural session yesterday, which was attended by Dr. Vishwas Mehta and several other decision makers and policy makers from across the country. And also there was a perspective, international perspective from Netherlands embassy. Now I would like to call upon the managing director of Oasis Water Solution Private Limited, Mr. Muhammad Mazharullah. Welcome, Mr. Mazharullah. Thanks for joining us.
Hey, Surya, thank you very much. And that's really a great opportunity to interact by the platform that has been being created in such a situation where the trade show was actually not possible. So it was a great opportunities that and platform created by you. So thanks to you for interacting, making a session interactive to all the people away from each other.
Thank you very much, Mr.
That's great. And I also thanks to all the team who are present virtually. And as you see that Oasis, we are a 105-year-old company and working is more than 130 countries. We work intensively for the project for the accessible drinking water for all the public places. What we do generally, we go to the project, we monitor the project, we work as a consultant for the project for minimizing the cost, maximizing the reaches to the liquid, which is essential for the each and every person. And it should be, we cooperate in the manner where we can reduce the cost and maximize the reach of the drinking water. That is really the need best. What I will do, I will share a small presentation to you.
Yes.
And then we can go ahead from there. So here is Oasis, and we have office. Basically, the company is from USA, headquarters and corporate office that we are in USA, Columbus, Ohio, and we work in 130 countries, and depending upon the things that how we can go with different regions like Asia, we looked at that can be looked after from Ireland, and some of the portion manufacturing facilities we are in also in Europe and Ireland and Poland, and we do also assemblies in India, not still manufacturing, but we start as assemblies and distributing to the required countries.
Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. Haq. Can you put it in a presentation mode? I think on the bottom, if you can.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yes, now it's fine. Yeah.
It's more visible. Yeah. So we have a R&D manufacturing distribution point in UK and Ireland, and from there we also have certain identical time to cope up with the India. These are the history that we work for 1910. We are the people who invented the drinking water fountains, because since 1910 we were against the motion of the one-time use cup. So that's the contribution we are playing for the Mother Earth. And in 1910, when the water cooler was not in the market, at that point of time we thought we should go with a product which should avoid the one-time use plastic or disposable cup, and we don't need to throw it back to the environment. So that is the basic ideas and thought behind the Oasis. And since then till 2021, we are regularly upgrading the system, looking for the different challenges of the environment, how we can minimize the CO2 carbon emission in the environment, which gas is more updated, which can have no harm on this ozone layer, which has no ODS in our ozone depletion substances in our cooler. These are the regular practice, and we are constantly upgrading, and we are more successful till today. So since 1910, you can see the progress way we have progressed, and we developed and we distributed across the countries. It took a time, but we went through the world and we let them understand our importance of the earth and no say no to plastics one-time use. So these are we are the world leader in manufacturing bottle and drinking water fountains, and these are the presents that you can see that how many countries, approximately more than 100 countries we are working in the universe, in the world. Sorry, these are the standard certification. If you will go, these are all certifications assure the quality of the unit. These ISO 9001, UL certification, C certification. Whenever we enter into a different nation, we go for the local certification. Like India, we go for Griha, we have Griha certifications and other TUV local certifications. So we go for the local certification and confirm the quality parameter meets the local requirement, whatever as per the specific code of conduct of that particular country. Since 1910, we have focused on one thing, only one thing, delivering the refresh water to the world. And as you saw the video, our purpose is to give the fresh water to the point of the sip from where the person are taking the sip, assuring the last drop of the water is sterilized and well purified. Then standard installation that we will go across the world that we did in Athens, Greece International Airport, Aveno, USA Airbase, Italy, Oasis. We also do for the seas, cruise and other places, Singapore International Airport, Scottish Parliament, British Museum, Chennai International Airport, Tokyo metro stations. We are also in Burj Khalifa. There are many things that we did because we counted lots of years, and the product itself says no to single use, and it comes under the green building certification. So most of the high-end users and high-end projects, they use these kind of things, and they understand the values of the no, not generating the garbages to the back to and throwing back to the environment. So the concept is that these are the credentials that we are carrying with many international places across the world, Dublin Airport, and we are even in Lords. And now the installation. Now we will talk about the India. In India, I personally took this brand and started in early 2009. When I approached in 2009, I discussed project wise, and I initially started with the airport, where most of the coolers are laying and dustbins are laying, disposable cups are laying, and out of 2-3 coolers, they need one manpower. So drastically, the cost of operation was more than the cost of the products. Let's say if there are some airports, I was going through the case study that we covered for Mumbai Airport, and they have more than 100 coolers. Out of that, they are having the disposable cups and a dustbin. And by the end of the day, they have 2-3 trucks of load of those disposable cup, and they need to be thrown back to the environment. And they have monthly operation cost that is huge. So I came in picture and I told them, why not we go for this kind of project and facilities that matches to the international standard, and we reduce your cost drastically. So in that manner, they agree, and the ROI on that was only 8 months. They recovered that ROI, return on investment, and now they are using it at really at a cost where we cannot think how much. I think is airports 9 right here, and we are saying for the nations how we are operating cost. We are in different metros, we are with different municipal corporation. Most of the health fitness clubs are with us, and we are working with Infosys, we are working with PVR multiplexes, Cinepolis, Indian Oils, another big organization, and we are serving these to the nations. And best part is that when we install these units to the places, the consumptions of water also goes down. Let's say people who is drinking the water in a cup and they took a few sips and they throw back the water to the environment. So the purified water that has a cost that drastically got decreased. Let's say where there's consumptions is more than 3000 liter per day, that consumptions dropped out to a level where it is coming 150 1500 liter per day. So 50% water consumption has also dropped. It doesn't mean we are not giving the person dehydrated water, but it gives the calculation that the wastage of water got decreased, and every drop of the water is so important. Now we all know what is the importance of water, especially the disposable cups. At the same time, save recurring cost on disposable cup and manpower. Maintenance free. The unit which we are using as the unit which are used in the past or with the other conventional methods having the big water coolers maybe having 200 liters cold water and keeps on cooling all the times until it reaches to a temperature which has been set at 15 degree or 18 degree. We have the product in which we keep a very small reservoir and it's on so the compressor load has decreased by less 200%. The compressor which is used in conventional method of cooling, which is approximately taking a power of 1500 watt. That's the see how we are covering the situation of the power consumptions again. Now the consumptions of electricity that which is being used by Oasis in instant cooling system, that that takes hardly 500 watts. So that's the difference of how we are decreasing the cost of the power consumptions. So again, you don't need the service person dedicatedly for keeping, mopping, cleaning, and removing those dustbins and all. It is user friendly, and it also come with access for the disabled person. A person even on wheelchair can go. The recipient like this designed wise, so you can go and drink directly with the drinking water fountain, ideally suited for high traffic areas. Reason is that for high traffic areas people are just coming and drinking that amount of water which is really required without wasting of the water. So the time they are spending on the coolers for drinking purpose is very less compared to the another conventional method of drinking of the water. These are the range of products that we offer in the market, which have the drinking station come with the filling station. Filling station doesn't give us a chance to put the disposable cup, but the person who carries their own sipper or let's say bottle, they can fill it and they can back to the work. If they are in offices, if they are in public places or in a gym or a health club, they can fill the bottle, and if the bottle is available, and they can back to their playground or let's say in the public places. At the same time, we give the opportunities to drink the water directly with the bubbler, who the person, I think 80% person don't carry the bottles. So the major traffics are drinking via bubbler. Now due to corona phase, when we give the unit which was touchable, let's say unit we need the operating with the switches which need to be mechanical connection and we need to press it. Now due to corona we upgraded to a level where you just stand, it sense it, and the bubbler will give you the water immediately. So that parallel units are there. Either we can use it with the sensor, or even we have the unit that can go via either you use the sensor or there is a mechanical system. You can use the mechanical system as well, depending on the situation demand. We have a filling station which gives the count of the bottles, or let's say count of the glass filler that we have saved in the environment. So these are the new categories of the product which has been now introduced, I think 6 months back, as per the requirement. Now we have developed a product which gives the filtration at the end point. So the water which is just coming out. So we assure it is 100% sterilized water. So there is no chances of any microbiological element when you take the water or when you sip the water. The best part is that we use blended MD copper. So we use in SS, but it looks like SS, but it has a antimicrobial copper blended with the system. So what is the property of antimicrobial? Naturally, when we have a copper surface and SS surface, copper surface diffuses the cell of those bacteria and viruses in few, let's say in 15 minutes or 20 minutes. But at the same time, when we touch the SS surface, that surface for the open areas, we keep the virus and chances of getting the virus to survive for more than 4 hours. So now this also helps to antimicrobial copper helps that these units are protected and free from the germination and getting the bacteria and viruses from the system.
Yeah, Mr. Mazharullah, can you kindly wrap it up? Can you?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
So these are the range of the products that we offer in the market, and we are also working for the many smart cities in India and across the world. If you will see for the sustainable solution for a smart city drinking water, these are the products we work for the smart cities that is shown in the presentation. A small raw picture that I am showing for the Trivandrum smart cities. Recently, we worked it out, and also to the Taj Mahal and other places we work and intensively did the research, and we put our findings how we can avoid this situation. There are different shapes across the world. We are working so for a small time station, and these are the work that we are working. Thank you very much for the time support that we provided by APAC. Okay.
Amazing. Thank you very much, Mr. Mohammad Mazharullah, that amazing work your organization is doing. It is also contributing to less generation of waste and also prevention of water. In a way, you're contributing to water conservation. Thank you very much for giving that presentation.
Thank you very much. Bye.